I'm telling you 3 tips you can better your outline. So let's start it. First, slowly drawing. Not drawing, slowly. Drawing balanced way. It can help you drawing much better. Number 2, drawing practice. You can draw one point to another point. It is also a great exercise. You will do this practice every time, every day. Drawing is an entertaining and fun way. Use drawing 0 to upper level like game 0 to upper level. Okay, let's tell you some drawing exercises. Drawing shapes, making object, making real person, not detailed only body. Okay guys, tell me what type of video do you want next video? Comment below. You and me some make fundamentals. Let's start a circle, rectangle and square. Also some details. Okay guys, see you next video and comment what video make should I next. It is very hard. I cannot erase that.